Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you fix black Instagram photos on iPhone. So guys, if you see that Instagram photos are in black and it is not showing its colors, then you can just do certain things to solve it. At first, just go to your Instagram, click the bottom right side your profile icon, click the top right the three dash icon, and after clicking it, scroll down, and here you can see logout. The first step to solve it, you need to log out your account and log in. And after that it is not solved yet, then you can just go to your app store, and after going to your app store, just search for Instagram and update it. Just search for Instagram, and if you have any update of Instagram, update it. Here you can see there is update, just update it immediately. And lastly, even if the update isn't working, then you can just uninstall Instagram, just remove app and delete the Instagram app and reinstall it again from app store. And I hope after that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.